Come test drive the 2024 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.